Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about area enclosed by plane curves. First, the question is area lying between parabola y is equal to 4x minus x square and the line y is equal to x. So first we have to, in order to calculate the area between parabola and the line, we have to draw the parabola. Now for drawing the parabola, which is y is equal to 4x minus x square, we just put the values of x. Let's say we put value of x equal to 0. So by putting value of x is equal to 0, we'll get y is equal to 0. Which is a point x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. As you can see in the parabola, I have clearly, there is a point, that's the origin 0, 0. Now we'll put x is equal to 1, so we'll get y is equal to 3. The point is gonna be 1, 3. Now the point is here. As you can see, 1, 3. Now if we'll put x equals to 2, but we'll get y equals to 4. So the point here I have put in is here 2, 4. This is the point. Now if we'll put x equals to 3, we'll get y equals to 3. That is 3, 3. So we'll put 3, 3 here. So if we'll put x equals to 4, we'll get y equals to 0. So the point's gonna be 4, 0. So there is a 4, 0 point. Oh sorry, I made a mistake here. It should be 4, 0. If we'll put x is equal to 4, y equals to, then y equals to gonna be 0. So the point is gonna be 4, 0. As you can see in the video, there is a 4, 0 point. So we can clearly draw the parabola in this shape. I have drawn this already, so you can see the parabola is in the shape of this. So now the line is y equals to x. We know that the line y equals to x means there is a line that goes from origin at the angle of 45 degree. So we know, now we can see that is the area lying between the parabola and the line, which is y equals to x, and I have shaded the area. Now we have to calculate the area that is lying between the line and the parabola. So in order to calculate that, we just take a mini rectangle, that is the main shaded area, as you can see clearly. So for calculating that, we just need to do is, now you can see, for that we are taking the triangle on the y-axis. Now so we are doing is, as we are taking the triangle on the y-axis, so we are saying that y is going from the line, that is y equals to x. So y is going from x to the parabola, which is there. Here the value of y equals to 4 of x minus x square. So our integration limits will go from x to 4 of x minus x square. Now we'll see that x is going from, we can see the limit of x is, the area's limit is going from x is equal to 0 to x equals to 3. So the limits will gonna be 0 to 3 and dy dx. So we just have to solve this, very simple. Now we have to do is, first we'll have to integrate with respect to y, as the limits are in the function of x, so we have to integrate with respect to y. So we are integrating with respect to y, we'll get y, then limits x to 4 of x square. Now what we get is 4 of x minus x square minus x dx. Now by solving this, we get 3x minus x square dx. Now what we have to do is, we have to integrate by parts. 3x dx minus x square dx. Now what we do is, x square, just by integrating we get x square by 2, 0 to 3, and x cube by 3, 0 to 3. So by putting the limits, we'll get 27 by 2 minus 9, and after that we'll get, after solving this, we'll get 9 by 2, and the answer is 4.5. Thank you.